Guys, have you ever wondered what would happen if you try to boot up the PC without a processor? I will try to switch it on.